guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing a rather big package because I recently bought something I never really thought I would get before. So let's get into this. So I got the Beast of the Mesozoic Teratophoneus, Tyrannosaurus series 1/18 scale. Now, I never thought I would actually buy a Beast of the Mesozoic figures. They looked amazing. I loved them, but I don't know. I just never thought I'd actually get one. So having one here is very surreal to me. But we're gonna unbox this and I will give my thoughts. So on the front of the package here, we have of the window in is the packaging itself is already amazing looking. I love the packaging. We have this cutout artwork looking into the window where you see the figure behind here. Teratophoneus curriei, Tyrannosaurus series 1/18 scale. Can't get over this artwork. That artwork is really, really nice. On the side, Teratophoneus, Beast of the Mesozoic, Tyrannosaurus series. Dinosaur action figure. And over here on the back we have a view of all of the other animals from wave 2. This is not the first wave, this is second wave. And second waves are being shipped out now. We have Proceratosaurus, Dryptosaurus, Husky Tyrannus, Lithronax, Bistaheversor, and Shanzusaurus. I always have an issue with Bistaheversor. Overall, this is the packaging is just beautiful. If you wanted to, you could just display it like this. However, I want to at least get one figure out so I can see how it actually moves. In this little packet, we have some things that we probably should look over. We have some instructions here explaining you all about the Teratophoneus, how to put it together. And on this card, we have some beautiful artwork that we saw on the front of the packaging by Raul Ramos. He's an amazing paleo artist just by this piece alone. I would love to have a bigger print of just this figure or this image to frame and put on a wall, because that is just beautiful. I love that. And on the back of the card, we do have some more information about Teratophoneus. But now let's get to the actual animal. The Teratophoneus is covered in a very earthy tones and textures. We see some deep clay reds, some oranges, browns, and tans, as well as a lot of black patterning. The inside of the mouth is pink with teeth and a sculpted tongue. The base itself is very interestingly laid out with a variety of texturing. By inserting the feet of the Teratophoneus onto the small pegs on the base, you can get it to stand relatively easily. The base itself seems to be covered in moss and soft earth. The figure itself seems to stand pretty well on its own, just using the pegs. However, I do recommend using one of the little clear plastic stands, which can be pushed into the little hole on the stand and adjusted and swiveled about to hold the figure up steadily. For added customization, there are also various types of feet included as well, which can be swapped out and placed on to make the animal appear more lifelike, giving the feet an extra added level of variability. Just by changing the feet out gives the animal a completely different feel and seems more lifelike. And here is the Teratophoneus compared with the Hammond Collection Baryonyx and Claire. Though I do really like the Hammond Collection, It does seem a bit aimed more towards kids, even though it's supposed to be aimed at adult collectors. Meanwhile, the Beast of the Mesozoic figures seem to really be aimed at adult collectors looking for highly accurate, posable figures. If you are interested in getting one of these figures for yourself, I will include a link down and below to Creative Beast Studio's website.